Welcome to this video on how to use cardless checkout in your salon, in your appointment book, to enable the message to go out to your client for them to opt into your cardless checkout and send those details, those credit card details in. We will just simply click on the appointment that's been made. We'll come down to the touch tip. You'll see we now have two options. On the credit card details, we can come down and you have the option of cancellations or cardless checkout. We click on cardless checkout. The client will receive an SMS and an email, so please make sure you have those details in the client card. As an indicator to you that that message has been sent, you will see now that we have the orange indicator on Emma's appointment. When the details have come back from the client, the appointment will turn back to the normal looking appointment, whether that's just normal, sort of a fresh booking, or it's confirmation, whichever color it might be, but the orange will disappear. Just to double check, you can then select on the appointment, come across to credit card details, and you can see that this client has opted in there. Now, that is a manual process. You just do that once the client has opted in. That's fine. You don't have to send anything again. Now, there is an automated message that will go out half an hour before the client is due in the salon. That message will be asking the client whether they want you to be able to charge that card that you have on file for the appointment today. When they reply with yes or approve, you will see that the lime green indicator will appear. If they decline, they don't want that being used today, you will see there'll be no lime green there on the appointment. That's fine, even if a client does change their mind and they decide not to use that cardless checkout option, you can just ignore the fact that they've approved and just go through using any other payment type that they might want to use that day. Just going to right click and take the client through to the checkout. Add what you need to add there to the bill, and then come down to your payment types at the bottom where you'll find your gift cards. This is where you're going to find all your other payment types. You will see here that there is the option for credit card on file. If the client has declined their card being used today, that's okay, it just won't be there. So you can be rest assured that the card will not be charged without the client's approval. So we can click on the card on file and click on done or rebook your client. And it's worth pointing out at the moment, you can see that the $20 has gone down against the payment type there. Now with the cardless checkout, it does look at the total bill. So unfortunately, we can't do the split payment, so we can't have part cash and part card on file. Now it will look at the series redemption, that's fine. So if you do sell series, that will come off and you can still take the remainder of whatever the bill might be today on the cardless checkout. When you're complete, just click on End Sale. The process will be showing there in front of you because you can see that that's gone through, and then you get the little note there that the receipt has been sent to the client. So it really is that simple for your cardless checkout. So thank you